Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. I have been using the Redmi 5 for over 2 weeks now and there are some things that I like about this phone. So today I'm going to talk about the top 5 features of this phone. That is the top 5 things that I personally like about this device. So let's get to them. First up, as soon as you pick up this device in your hand for the first time, one thing that you will instantly notice is that the display is very good. It is an 18:9 display, that means a taller display with shorter bezels, and although it is a 720p display, but still it feels really awesome. The viewing angles are great, the color reproduction is great, the brightness levels are good, that means you can use it outdoor in bright daylight conditions, and overall the display feels really good. So I would give 10 out of 10 for the display on this phone. Next up, at number 2, the performance of this phone is outstanding. The new Snapdragon 450 processor is based on the 14nm FinFET technology. That means it gives good performance as well as great battery life. So the performance is really good on this phone. Day-to-day tasks like checking email, replying to WhatsApp messages, browsing the web, watching videos on YouTube, or light gaming or even heavy gaming to some extent is possible on this phone. So as far as performance goes, again I would give it a 10 out of 10 because it works really well for the price of Rs 9,000. Now, based on the Snapdragon 450 processor is the third point, and that is battery life. Although the battery capacity is lesser from Redmi 4, the battery life is the same, and that is because of Snapdragon 450. Snapdragon 450 is based on the 14nm FinFET technology. That means it gives awesome battery life. So you can expect 1 to 1.5 days of battery life, even 2 days if you are a light user. If you are a moderate user, then it should get you through the second day as well, like half of the second day. Moving forward, the fourth feature is its camera. And yes, I mean only the primary camera, not the front camera. The front camera is really bad actually. I will talk about that in a separate video. But for now, let's talk about the rear camera. The rear camera is a 12 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2. And the pixel size is 1.25 microns. That means it is a bigger pixel size that allows a lot of light to enter through it. I have done a dedicated camera review of this phone. In case you missed that video, here's a card. You can go ahead and watch that video. But as you can see in these sample images, this phone really performs well when it comes to daylighting conditions. In terms of low light, it does struggle a bit, but for the price of Rs 9,000, it is acceptable. The low light performance for this price is absolutely acceptable, and overall the rear camera is actually very good for this price. Last but not the least, at number 5, I really like the software on this device. Although it comes with Android Nougat, which is a very big con in 2018, it should have come with Oreo, but still, MIUI 9 is really good. You have tons and tons of customization options. Also, you get features like dual apps and split screen mode, which are really good. Especially dual apps. So for example, if you use 2 SIM cards like I do, then you can run 2 WhatsApp on the same device, which is awesome. Also, you get a lot of customization options, which is a very big thumbs up from my side. I personally use the Nova launcher with MIUI 9, which makes it the perfect experience. So I have the stock launcher along with MIUI customizations, which is like the best thing that can ever be. Hence, the software experience is really good. In case you want to know about all the features of MIUI 9, I'll drop some links in the description box below, links to some videos and articles. You can go ahead and watch them after this video. Hence, overall Redmi 5 is a very good device when it comes to the price of Rs 9,000. It is not a significant upgrade from Redmi 4, so if you own a Redmi 4, then you should not upgrade to Redmi 5. You should wait for the next variant. But if you own a Redmi 3S or a 3S Prime, then you should definitely upgrade to Redmi 5. It is worth your money. So anyway, that's been it. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, then go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on all my social media platforms. All the links, as always, are available in the description box below. My name is Ash Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.